Ciao ragazzi, buongiorno. I'm Chef Richie here in the beautiful Bella San Luci Test Kitchen. We are here today to talk about our recipe contest because it's over and we have our 3 finalists. Congratulations to everyone who submitted a recipe. We had a lot of competition, wonderful Mediterranean recipes, innovation. There was a tough decision to be made to pick the winner, but we have a clear winner, and we are going to talk about now the 3 recipes we picked for the podium. Third place, Chef Ben Diaz submitted his recipe for Lamb Birria with chimichurri sauce. Now, this summer I was in Chile with Bella San Luci, and I tried several chimichurris down there. I believe it's originally an Argentine sauce. This version by Ben Diaz is rich, sweet. It's an innovation on the authentic original chimichurri with special ingredients, especially the sun-dried tomatoes. And the sun-dried tomatoes have reinvented the chimichurri, which this innovation, this creativity, is what this contest is all about. And that set this dish apart. The meat, tender, grilled, those elements, all of those things came together to be a whole greater than the sum of its parts. But this chimichurri dish set it apart with its innovative, flavorful sun-dried tomato base. So congratulations, Chef Ben Diaz. Wonderful job. Congratulations on 3rd place. Second place, Chef Gaylenn Molyneaux sent in a recipe for Bella San Luci's ultimate sub sandwich. This thing is out of this world. It had so many layers of flavors and textures. You make a whole loaf of French bread crispy. You turn it into garlic bread. You turn that into a pizza with our tomato artichoke pasta sauce, with our zesty sun-dried tomato julienne inside that, with the mozzarella. It took me back to Greenwich Village in New York. It has so many wonderful flavors. The pepperoncini, the added julienne sun-dried tomatoes. It's stacked. I cut it into different pieces. The taste panel came. In 30 seconds, it was gone. A whole loaf of bread full of meats and cheeses and sauces. And it was a creative extravaganza. We've never had a sandwich make the podium. This was the best sandwich anybody ever had. Thank you, Chef Gaylenn Molyneaux. Great job. You win 2nd place in the contest. Brava. The winner, Chef Gerry Vance, submitted a recipe for Mediterranean sun-dried tomato chicken that's out of this world. All of the Mediterranean ingredients, the flavors, the artichokes, the sun-dried tomatoes, the capers, matched up with marsala and orange juice with the sun-dried tomatoes, making them sweeter. We've never tasted that before. It's a lovely, innovative, fantastic, new, fresh take on sun-dried tomatoes and Mediterranean cuisine. Marsala being a Sicilian wine. It's actually an island off the coast of Sicily. Adding a Southern Italian experience, getting the crispies off the bottom of the pan after cooking the chicken with the marsala and the orange juice and the sun-dried tomatoes all together, reducing that down, created a delicious, deep foundation of flavor that we all loved, and this was the winner. And we congratulate Chef Gerry Vance for your innovative, flavorful, delicious, wonderful submission to the recipe contest. Like the 3 winners, there are now going to be 12 honorable mentions that over the next 12 months, I'm going to be cooking, we're going to video, and you're going to get, if you become an honorable mention winner, a gift box of our products. Please keep submitting recipes for our contest next year. Please follow Bella San Luci so you can see who the honorable mention winners are this year. Keep cooking, use those sun-dried tomatoes. Arrivederci, grazie, ciao.